Good morning everyone. My name is Ajit. Today I start 30-day English speaking challenge. The main purpose is to speak in English to improve my communication and confidence. For the next 30 days, I record and upload video without any cuts. Sometimes I feel nervous while speaking English, but it can improve when I speak in English. In this video, I will talk about some different topics, learn new words and practice communication, and also I track my progress. I know I will make mistakes, but mistakes are the part of learning. If you are learning English, please join us. Thank you for watching this video.